Okay, so I've done a second batch. Now we're gonna put them on a plate and wait while we get the water to boil. And then we're going to boil them. Okay, when the water is at a roaring boil, then you can start to cook the raviolis. Simply place them in the water and boil them for about 4 minutes or until they're done. You'll probably want sort of a slotted spoon or something that you can pull the raviolis out. This is a product from the GEFU has, and it's kind of nice because it has a little ledge here so that it can just rest on the side of the pan. And we're just going to put the lid on so that it can go back to the roaring boil. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, and so you can see how this nice scoop colander works. And you can just drain it right there and put it on a plate. And get the remaining ravioli. Drain the water. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the other raviolis in the water. Then we're going to make the sauce, which for this recipe is a Gorgonzola sauce. And the first step for making the sauce is to make a roux. So we're going to start with some butter. These pans, by the way, are also from Germany. This is a company called SKK, and they're handmade, hand cast aluminum, and they're really nice quality. Excuse me. So first thing is we're just going to melt the butter. Okay, so as soon as the butter is melted, then you can add the flour. I put a tablespoon and a half of butter and a tablespoon of flour. And as Julia Child used to say, you must always cook the roux. Otherwise it will have a floury taste to it. Now all these products that we've talked about today, the scoop colander, the nutmeg grater, the ravioli case maker, the pasta maker, the Parmesan cheese grater, all can be purchased at GEFU.us. That's GEFU.us. Alright, then you're just going to add a cup of milk. And you're going to stir this until it's thickened, and then add half of a cup of Gorgonzola cheese. And then that's just going to be poured over or ladled over your pasta, and I promise your company will love it. Alright, so here's the finished sauce. You just stir in the blue cheese, Gorgonzola cheese, and then just pour it right over. Pasta. And you can see I've put on pieces of sausage. And now we're going to garnish with some fresh sage to complement what we put in the middle part. And there you go. Pumpkin ravioli.